Okay, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the basics of chain enders or chain grabs. It's basically where you're in chain game. You can also do it in ring game, but you want to collect all the chain into the palm of your hand. Now, one way that you can do this that's pretty easy is like going from chain to ring in the other tutorial. Instead, when you're coming out, you get into this grip right here to where you can let go and you can practice on catching it all. And that grip lets you let go of it and it'll be in your palm. If you do that with it around your finger, then it's stuck and it'll fall out and it's not actually all gripped in your hand. So the idea is you want to catch all of the chain and ring in your palm. If you know how to do chain waves and do a chain ender right after that, for some reason it works better. I think like right after the chain wave, the chain is kind of like stuck to itself. One of the issues you'll run into while practicing these is the chain opens up and you can't get it all. And I think the reason for this is you're pulling too hard on the chain when you let go, and it pushes the chain and pinch point together and it opens the chain. So it takes some getting used to. You have to kind of let go and go up with it. It's very delicate sometimes. One way to do it from your index is to pinch the chain and catch it all. And this gives you an idea of how to kind of let go of it in the air. The slightest pull on a twist will have the chain open up and you'll have an unsuccessful grab. Now this is a really, really cool move. I'm kind of obsessed with it. There's lots of different ways you can do it. You could do it over the back of your hand. You can change hands by doing it. Throw aerials and catch the ring and catch all the chain. So there's a lot of different ways you can do this. So the second part of the trick is when you catch all the chain in the palm of your hand, you have the ring in your palm, and you want to grip it in a way where you can spin it while you throw it up. And the spin keeps it stable and flat. You don't have to spin it flat. You can spin it sideways if you want, so you can catch your finger in it like that if you want to spike it like that. I like to throw it flat sideways so that it comes down on my finger. But that's the second part of the chain grab trick, is you want to be able to palm it all and catch it good to where the ring's on top. So when you throw it, it all moves out the way and the ring stays at the top where you can always get your finger on it. Now this is a really cool move. You can do the chain grabs a lot of different ways, and you can do the releases and catches a ton of different ways. You can throw it up and catch it under your leg if you want. You could do it behind your back. To me, it's like finishing a combo. It feels kind of like kendama. You'll do a long set of tricks and then you end it with the chain grab and you're just like, boom. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. This is one of my favorite moves.